Today is the second anniversary of my very first YouTube video that I posted in the stacking community. And to celebrate, we're going to talk about a new investment vessel that we have never, ever talked about here on this channel. Brand new, coming out on the market next week. You're going to want to hear about this because I feel like we're all going to have very strong opinions about this one. Welcome back, guys, to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is the morning market wake-up call for Friday, February 12th, 2021. Whew. Been 2 years since I posted my first video. We're somewhere around like 435 videos now, almost 440, I think. It has been quite the experience. I've learned so much from you guys here in the community, and I hope that I have been able to bestow some of my thoughts and intelligence and stacking endeavors to you, and you guys enjoy that. So I do appreciate it. Everybody, we just went over 1,000 subscribers, and so we've got some really exciting things coming up this year, here actually in just the next couple months, so you're going to want to stick around for that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're starting today off at. Gold is down, currently at 1824.74. Silver also down at 27.19. That gives us a ratio of 67.12. Platinum is down a little bit, currently at 1233.52, and palladium is at 2384.08. Rhodium is steady at 21,300. In base metals, we've seen a little bit of movement on those in the last 24 hours. Copper is at 375, nickel is at 834. Wasn't but just a few weeks ago we were talking about nickel in the sevens, so they've made a nice gain this month in the past 30 days month. Aluminum is at 94 cents, zinc at $1.25, and lead is up another couple cents at 96 cents. Could we be seeing $1 in lead soon? Barrels of crude oil are down, back under $58, currently at $57.79. We had a mixed day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow was down 7 points at 31,430.70. The NASDAQ was up 53 points at 14,025.77. I believe that is a record, all-time high for them. And the S&P 500 was up 6 points at 39,1638. The U.S. dollar index is down some more, currently at 90.54. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, yesterday was another record-setting day over there. We had an all-time high about 7:10 p.m. last night Eastern Standard Time of 48,912. It is down slightly, currently at 47,448.30. And if you happen to exchange a gold back today, whether that be the Utah or the Nevadan, those are exchanging at $3.22. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we are going to be talking about a brand new investment vessel that nobody in the stacking community is talking about. I have not heard anything about this. I actually saw this pop up on Facebook about 3 days ago. It's the very first time I'd ever heard about it. And now Niels Christensen over at Kitco News is giving us an article titled "Investor Attention Turns to Diamonds Ahead of Digital Exchange Launch." This is going to be some really wacky, weird information, guys. Try to wrap your mind around it. It is confusing. I'm not quite sure the ins and outs of this yet, but it is expensive. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this article real quick. Investors are piling into alternative assets to preserve their wealth and purchasing power as inflation concerns continue to dominate the marketplace, according to some analysts and economists. I always mess that one up. I haven't had any coffee yet. Before we really get started in earnest, we better just go ahead and get some coffee at me. All right. While investors jumped into alternative assets like Bitcoin and gold, some analysts think that diamonds could attract some attention as a new company creates a standardized value in the diamond market. Announced in late 2020, Diamond Standard, created by fintech entrepreneur Cormac Kinney, is moving forward with its Diamond Standard coin. The coin is a collection of physical diamonds traded digitally as a token on the INX trading platform. The company will launch its initial public commodity offerings on February 16th, so on Tuesday, just next week. The diamond coin contains 4.5 carats of diamonds and a computer chip that utilizes blockchain technology, enabling authenticity, remote audit, and internet transactions. Diamond Standard noted that this is the first time a diamond commodity will be digitally traded on the US-based trading platform. Following next week's launch, the company said that it plans to launch an ETF on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker DIAM, a list diamond futures on the CME Globex through the MGEX. Lots of initials in there. The company noted that the diamond market is valued at more than $1.2 trillion, more than silver and platinum markets combined. However, investment demand for diamonds has been nearly non-existent. Mark Chandler, managing director of Bannockburn Global Forex, said that he expects Diamond Standard to open up the diamond market for investors as it solves the biggest problem, standardizing value. Quote, until now, the lack of standardization and other challenges have kept investment at around 1% of natural diamonds, he said in a recent note. They have standardized natural diamonds, stepping up as the world's first market maker, forcing the industry to discover the value of millions of diamonds varieties regularly, he added. Chandler added that a diamond commodity is more attractive as an alternative compared to Bitcoin because of the market's long history as a store of value. Bitcoin is a speculative vehicle, and the fact that it draws some institutional investors or even some companies does not change this fact, he said. There is no intrinsic value. Looking at a diamond coin, Chandler said, it is not crypto this or cyber that. It is a real tangible asset, actual physical diamonds of which one can take delivery. Paul Zeminski, an independent global diamond industry analyst, said in an email to Kitco News that Diamond Standard's digital marketplace is so far the best attempt to make diamonds a mainstream investment asset. However, he added that the biggest hurdle would be for the company to generate enough liquidity to create a sustainable marketplace. Getting large institutional investors on board is the key starting point. Liquidity begets more liquidity and generates more mainstream interest, he said. If the product is successful in generating mainstream interest, especially in large institutional investors, it could certainly impact the diamond market. So there we have it. We have a brand new commodity coming out on the market, and it is diamonds. Now, this is a very weird situation, and I'm going to sit this one out until I see how it plays because diamond prices are incredibly inflated. Diamonds are not necessarily that incredibly rare. The only reason why people perceive diamonds as being rare and expensive is because of the movements that the De Beers Corporation made in the 1900s to create that false sense that these are expensive and you should save up, 6 months' salary to buy an engagement ring and this, that, and the other. That's the only reason why diamonds are portrayed as very expensive. Diamonds themselves, you can get industrial grade diamonds by the pound. I've got diamond wheel cutting blades in my fabrication shop just on the other side of this wall right here, and they are covered in diamonds. They're made for cutting through granite, and we get those blades for well under $100. So it's diamonds. The value of diamonds is only in the beholder. So I'm going to be very interested to see how this goes. I think it's going to be very interesting to see pricing for diamonds get standardized, but I'm not sure how a physical token with value can be traded as a store of value with Bitcoin and blockchain. So I'm really interested to see how that works out. Now, if you guys are interested in this, you go to diamondstandard.com and you can get in on this early. They have an early bird special. I checked into this actually earlier in the week, and these coins sell for like $5,500. So a little pricey, but go out and try to buy Bitcoin. Probably can't do it for that cheap. I guarantee it. So you're only going to get a tenth of a Bitcoin at that price. So yeah, there's a lot of moving parts on this, and I think next week's going to be really interesting. And we could be seeing a brand new marketplace coming up to where diamonds could eventually become an actual store of wealth, not just a perceived value of wealth. So be very interested to hear what you guys have to say on this topic. Please let me know down below in the comments. I think this is going to be a really, really unique thing. We're going to see how it goes. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. You've helped me get to 2 years of making these videos. You helped me get to 1,000 subscribers. We're still growing every day. I think we're somewhere around 1,040 now. We've got a lot of awesome stuff coming up here in the next couple months. We got the pay dirt, the gold pay dirt that we're going to be launching. You guys will be able to buy your own El Fuego de Oro pay dirt. You'll be able to buy our other brands of pay dirt that we're going to be making. The website's going to be going live real soon, probably in the next month, with all of the new items on there. The Facebook page is already up. If you guys haven't been there, there's nothing there yet, but we have a Facebook page. You can go there. We can hang out. We can chat. You can look at some coin porn. And yeah, so let's see what else. I think that's it for now. So guys, let me know down in the comments what you think. All right. All right, where did I leave off? I got sidetracked. Yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the like button right here. Helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the Independent Experience and you want to keep up to date on all the latest and greatest content, make sure you hit the subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when the new content comes out. Of course, there's going to be a box on this side of the screen somewhere. That's going to be your gateway to the back catalog. Like I said, it's 440 videos strong right now. You can start clicking through those at your heart's content at the end of this video. Guys, I've been Indy XP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.